Both Joey are 12, so they're 12. I mean, Joey's 11. Both these 12.
Feel this right here.
What? Huh? What?
Natural soup.
Where are we, PJ?
Coamo Hot Springs.
What is it called? Coamo?
Coamo.
Coamo Hot Springs. This Coamo Hot Springs is the first time we're here, so. Huh? Yeah, we're gonna go sit somewhere. Let me find out.
Right here where this coffee is. You have to go down there.
This is like natural spring water. A lot of people come here and they just, it's like meditation. So the kids aren't allowed to like jump in the pool. The kids aren't allowed to jump in the pool, dive, no swimming, flipping in the pool. This pool right here is actually the only pool the kids are allowed in. That pool is 100 and something degrees water, so kids are not allowed in there. So inside of there you can have massages, you can buy natural soaps, natural healing things they have in there. So those were $3.35 and the kids are $1, I think $1.30 or something. But it's really pretty and they have like meditation music on, if you can hear. The kids aren't so happy that you can dive, jump, and do all of that, but they'll be fine. And there's also where you pay, and it's like a little store in there, and they also have the massaging rooms in there. And if you listen to the music, it's very smooth. So this is the only pool the kids are allowed in, but like I said, no swimming, diving, or any of that. Hey, Cupcake.
This is boring. She made everything boring until she...
That's okay. We're going to go to another place after this. We just wanted to stop here.
She made everything boring.
I know. So this is the other hot tub, but it is like a hot tub because it's 100 and something degrees. He's meditating.
Put them now. Put them down a little bit.
And we parked over there. Then you come around this way to come in. It's very smoothing and relaxing. I was just speaking to a lady who said that she actually moved closer to, I guess you would call it like a little resort because of the water. She said the waters are really good for arthritis and pain, and even if you're sick or have a cough or something of that sort. it's, you know, natural healing waters. So she said there's people there are members. They come here every day. There's people that come 3 times a week, and she happened to move closer to here to come here every day. So it's pretty nice. I haven't gone in the hot water yet because I'm already hot, but I'm about to go back into the other water.
Oh, you look fabulous.
Oh, thank you. I try to. But it's a really nice place to visit, so I don't know. The kids like it all except for one.